Hi guys, today I will show you what's inside this GSM status ID AE distribution. MRC A ECR Albania. Rating 5 volt, 1 amps, etc. etc. That is made in Italy. Let's open up. It before we open, it has this that power up and this RJ45. This I can't remember for a moment. So let's open. It has a screw. And just a second, I'll use the camera. It has a screw here. As you can see, this is what it looks inside. It has a phone card that make connection from money service into the internet for declaring in real time money that you have spent. As you can see, microprocessor, a circuit, and another circuit that is for this connection here. Those capacitors that are for filtering the DC that is here. This is with wireless. So now you know what's inside those kind of posts. AAD. Well, have a nice day guys. Stay safe, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment.